The Flow Stars podcast talks to leaders in the field of flow cytometry. We delve into deep matters such as overcoming barriers in the workplace.
If I looked up the ladder, I didn't see me. Either a woman or a woman who had a family and didn't hide it. You know you've overcome this when your dean tells you on a phone call, Johnny, I know you'll be able to handle this because you're a force to be reckoned with.
And the perks of working in a core facility.
That's another great aspect of the job, in that we get to play with the new technology. So, we talked about the epics and the fax analyzer. I did 2 color analysis 30 odd years ago. Now we can do 30 plus. We've got different detectors, we've got more lasers. It's all changed.
We get to know our guests at an incredibly personal level.
I've also booked myself in to get a tattoo.
I've got to ask, what's the tattoo going to be on? A laser line intercepting a sound, looking at the scattering of light?
No, Calvin and Hobbes, a cartoon strip from the 80s.
And there's even a bit of unscripted drama. Just wait a minute. I think my neighbour's car's just been stolen. Watch the full episodes at bitesizebio.com/flowstars.